Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the all-new Lincoln Electric 2450 ADV series hood. So it's an advanced series hood for the 2450. Just came out. We just got this in on a demo. We're gonna open this thing up. So new to this series, it went digital on the inside for the controls, and it also added an LED light, which is an 85 lumen LED light. So comes in a nice bag. Here's the hood. I'll show you what kind in the box. Some extra lenses, another bag there, your instruction manual, and then some stickers like they always do with the Lincoln stuff. So slide the box over here. So new on this hood, it's pretty nice. It's got that nice shiny black series. Now this comes in 4 other graphics plus the black Mingen at 5. Pretty awesome looking hood. Got your standard Lincoln headgear, real comfortable. But what's new to it, and what we're going to point out here, so it's got the same clarity level, a 1111, and then, but on this side, so you got a slimmer grind button, and then you got a second button. So you got to hold down that back button, and the LED light comes on. So it's 85 lumens. So what's interesting about that light, you strike an arc when you're welding, you can leave the light on, but you can strike an arc when you're welding, and the light will go out. So it goes on and off in between welding. So if you're in a dark setting or you can't see when it goes to a resting shade, that light helps out with that. Just to shut it off, you just hold that button down again and it goes right off. So pretty awesome. I mean, and it's not much heavier than just a regular 2450. I think they say 0.2 ounces heavier. The biggest heavy part is really the battery. So it runs on a AA battery. So you could take that. It's pretty easy to change. You just pop it out of there, and it's a AA sitting right in there, and it unplugs from the side here on the grind button area. Same way you would change your regular battery in your lens, but this one's got a AA up front. And then new to this is it's got a digital series, so it's got a bigger mode button, so we can toggle down through weld and then cut and grind. It's got an LED light that when we turn that light on, you'll see that LED, that green LED will light up, letting you know that your light is on. But like I said, when you strike an arc, it goes out. And we'll shut that back off here. It's got a low battery indicator, and then you got your shade, your sensitivity, and your delay. So if we go in the weld mode, we can obviously change our shade. So our shades are 9 through 13 in weld, in cut mode 5 through 8. And then obviously we got a grind, which is just a resting state. That'd be pretty cool to have the grind mode on with a light on, and you could have some extra light. Pretty neat. Now this helmet, they fit, I don't know, I like the Lincoln headgear. Really pretty nice, they're comfortable. So we can get this adjusted. Now it's pretty accessible, it locks up. We'll see if we can't. There we go, the light's on. So inside of here, that little green LED, it flashes letting you know that LED's on, but then we can shut it back off. Pretty cool, pretty neat. I mean, and you can, I like these helmets, they're nice headgear. But all in all, that's a pretty sweet little hood. So it's called the 2450 ADV. Now, just right now, it's only in the 2450 with the LED. So if you got any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll do our best to answer them. But right now, we're offering with all Viking helmets, all Lincoln Viking hoods, we're offering the XLR filter, the mask and filters, half off right now with the purchase of a new hood from Lincoln, or from us through Lincoln, the Lincoln Vikings. So pretty awesome deal. Those, I think I have a video out there on the XLR. Great filters, they fit nice. They really, you can breathe really easily with them. But stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again for watching. And like I said, leave all your comments below and we'll do our best to answer any questions. Thank you.